is the time where all the four houses are ready to show the colorful march past. A well-coordinated march past is a face to the eyes and ears where coupled with some stirring marching music. Our cadets demonstrate the heel march by digging their heel to the ground with toes pointed upwards and arms swinging rhythmically. The march past lays emphasis on bearing, marching, saluting, and coordinating. At the front, we have Master Wilson Roito, the General Commander. Behind him, the head boy, Master Abhishek Dora, along with head girl, Kumari Aisha Behra. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of pride and discipline is here. Please turn your attention to the ground as our young cadets step forward to present a magnificent display of parade housewise. I request the chief guest of the day, Sri Loknath Sabara, to inspect the guard of honor. Leading the march, we have the students of Blue House, St. Francis Legislate, symbolizing calmness, dedication, and unity. St. Francis Legislate, a French Catholic missionary who served in East Asia during the 19th century as a member of the Congregation of the Mission. He was canonized in the year 2000 as one of the martyr saints of China in the Catholic Church. The Blue House marching magnificently dressed in blue symbolizes depth, trusty, loyalty, sincerity, and confidence, striving towards excellence with humility in our hearts. Their coordinated steps and focused exploration reflect their deep sense of patriotism and teamwork. Up next, we have entering the ground is the vibrant greenhouse, St. Catherine Labouré. Green signifies growth, prosperity, and harmony. St. Catherine Labouré was a French member of the Daughters of the Charity of St. Vincent de Paul and a Marian missionary. She wanted nothing more than to humbly perform her daily duties and devote herself to care of sick and elderly. Watching the march past of greenhouse, their green color which symbolizes honesty, which imbibes in studies to all the given duties with utmost honesty and shouldn't deceive anybody in life. Watch them move with grace and pride, echoing the progressive of India. And now, entering the ground, we have the students of Red House, St. John Gabriel Parboy, a house that stands for courage, strength, and determination. St. John Gabriel Parboy was a French priest of the Congregation of the Mission who served a missionary in China. He suffered martyrdom. The Red House depicts victory. The values here are the students should have competitive spirit and should try and win all the tasks given to them. Marching majestically in front of you, dressed in red. Look at the energy in their stride and the discipline in the formation. A true tribute to the soldiers who protect our motherland. And here comes the Yellow House, St. Justin de Jacobis, symbolizing energy, joy, and intellect. St. Justin de Jacobis was an Italian Catholic bishop and a member of the Congregation of the Mission. The Yellow House marks tranquility, loyalty, and wisdom, which teach students to be wise and kind to every kind being on earth and to treat everyone equally. With every step they take, they carry the brightness of India's future.